Hello. Now in China it's about 10 o'clock in the night already. I'm here to check in every set machine for you. This is number 5, which made by stainless steel white wire. So you see, we tested this machine by the stripper, which the size same as we sent to you. And now this is number 5. And this is also number 5, which is made by your brass wire. Okay, brass stripper is from your side. We bring back to Turkey. So this is number 5 brass. If you want to see, let me show you. Okay, I stop. Why? Because the stripper is very less already. I will show you another size. And you can see there is writing as group. And this is also this is a 4.5, which made by the stainless steel stripper. Okay. And this one is a 4.5. Also, this is the brass stripper. This is a brass. And this one also 4.5. 4.5. You see, I touched the teeth. It's very smooth, very good. It's not. It will not same as another supplier sell to Turkey. It's very hard for hand. So this one is very smooth. Now I saw downside is just cheaper. So let me start this machine to you. You see, it runs very smooth. And now let me open the cover. You can hear the voice is very good. Okay? Okay, after I close, the voice is very down. It's the same as before. And then let's see the another one. Now we just left this one and this one without any testing because we don't have enough stripper. So tonight, Mr. Wang, Mr. Wu, and my technician, all person will continue working until I think maybe 2 or 3 o'clock. They will finish all the job. And these 2 sets machine, but we do the empty running more than 3 days already. 3 days in night, 3 days already. Now we are just waiting. They install this stripper just now. Because now I need to take some video, so they are put here. Later they will continue for testing. So for 7 sets machines order, now we just have 2 sets need to continue testing tonight. I think this time the machine is better than last time. I touched the zipper and I am satisfied.